Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color on Instagram stories. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and you simply need to scroll to the stories, click on create, and if you want to change the color you simply need to tap here like this. But you can see that you not have much colors option here. So how you can get, so you simply need to click on your story and add a picture, and once you add it, click on three dots, click on draw, and here you can see plenty of colors and hold here for a while. And but our pictures is not there, so you simply need to click here, click this icon and import from your gallery by clicking here. So this one like this, and you can make it bigger as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.